let's crochet heart together. First, make a magic ring. Then chain 3. And now we need treble crochet. For treble crochet, yarn over 2 times. Insert your hook into magic ring, grab the yarn. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. Yarn over and pull through 2. Repeat this one more time. Double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. Repeat this 3 more times until you have 4 double crochet. Crochet again. Just need 3 treble crochet. Chain 3. Insert your hook into magic ring and slip a stitch. Cut the yarn. This beautiful heart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget